Challenges make life interesting. Overcoming them makes our life meaningful. Hi dear audience, welcome to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn about conditional sentences, its type, structure and usage. A conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses a condition. A condition is something that can happen if something else occurs. A conditional sentence contains an independent clause and a dependent clause. An independent clause is the main clause which gives complete meaning and can stand alone as a complete sentence. And the dependent clause starts with if and does not give a complete meaning. The structure for conditional sentence can be either if clause plus main clause or main clause plus if clause. For example, if I study hard, I shall pass with good marks. Conditional sentences can also be written with main clause in the beginning. For example, I shall pass with good marks if I study hard. Remember, if clause is the condition and main clause is the result. There are different kinds of conditional sentences in English. In this video, you are going to learn 4 kinds of conditional sentences which we often use in our day-to-day communication, and they are zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional and third conditional. Now let's look at the zero conditional. We use zero conditional to talk about permanent truths such as scientific facts and general habits. The structure is simple. If clause should be in simple present and the main clause should also be in simple present. Now let's look at some examples of zero conditional sentences. Zero conditional sentence, we know the if clause should be in simple present. We need to use the base form of verb, and the main clause should also be in simple present. We need to use base form of verb. Now let's see the first example. If we heat ice, it melts. Here, this talks about scientific fact. The next sentence, if it rains, I take my umbrella. This is the general habit. Next, if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. This is again a scientific fact. Here you can see the words that are underlined are the verbs, and these are the base form of verbs. Now let's learn first conditional. First conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses an idea that is likely to happen at some point in the future. The structure is if clause should be in simple present and main clause should be in simple future. We know that simple present we use the base form of verb. In the same way, for simple future we use will plus base form of verb. We can also use the modals can, may or must plus V1. Now let's look at some examples of first conditional. First conditional is also called as open condition or likely condition. Now let's see the first example. I will pass the message to you if I get it. The next one is, if Rani goes to Chennai, she may visit her aunt. The third one is, if you want to learn English, I can help you. And the next one is, if you go outside, you must wear a mask. Here you can see the words are underlined. I will pass the message to you. This is the main clause. If I get it, this is if clause. If clause should be in simple present for first conditional and the main clause in simple future. We have used will plus V1. The next, if you see, if Rani goes to Chennai, this is if clause. If clause should be in simple present. We have used the base form of verb. She may visit her aunt. We have used the modal may plus V1. The next sentence, if you want to learn English, this is if clause which is in present, and the main clause we have used the modal can plus V1. The last one, if you go outside, you must wear a mask. Here again, if clause is in simple present, we have used V1, and the main clause we have used the modal must plus V1. The second conditional is used to imagine present or future situations that are impossible in reality. The structure is, if clause should be in simple past and the main clause should be in present conditional. Simple past is nothing but we need to use the second form of the verb, and present conditional is nothing but would plus V1. We can also use the modal could or might plus first form of verb. Type 2 is the second conditional. We call it as imaginary condition or unlikely condition. Now let's see some examples. If I were the richest man, I would help the poor. Second sentence, I could fly like birds if I had wings. If she knew the answer, she might tell you. We know that in second conditional, if clause should be in simple past and main clause present conditional. So here you can see, if I were the richest man, were is simple past. Would plus V1, this is present conditional. Again you can use models like could or might. Now let's understand the third conditional. The third conditional expresses a past idea that did not occur. The third conditional can be told as a dream with no possibility of coming true. The structure is, if clause should be in past perfect and the main clause should be in perfect conditional. We know that past perfect is nothing but had plus V3. And what is this perfect conditional? Perfect conditional is would have plus V3. We can also use the models could or might plus have plus V3. Now let's see some examples of third conditional. Third conditional is also called as unfulfilled condition. The first one is, if I had known Ram's address, I would have given you. Here, if clause is in past perfect and the main clause is in perfect conditional. The next one, you couldn't have learnt your lessons if you hadn't studied regularly. The last one, she might have met her old friend if she had gone to Anita's party yesterday. Dear audience, hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give a thumbs up, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching and keep watching.